In the enterprise environment, you can use the 3 sets of private IP addresses as displayed. How each is used should be defined by your network manager. I suggest using each for a dedicated purpose. For example, the 192.168. range for infrastructure, the 10. range for clients, and the 172.16. range for special subnets. I recommend making all infrastructure and client subnets 24-bit network addresses. This will give you over 250 subnets for infrastructure and over 64,000 subnets for clients, each with 254 usable IP addresses. Subnets of this size are convenient for re-imaging client PCs or similar tasks, as most classes, lecture theatres, company departments, etc. are smaller than this size. Configuring the subnet mask. 255.255.255.0 is within the ability of even the most junior of support staff. There are some subnets I recommend you do not use. These 4 subnets in the 192.168. range, as displayed, are frequently used as the default subnet on modems and other networking equipment. These subnets should be avoided because they may cause IP conflicts for users accessing the work environment remotely via VPN or similar from a location where a default subnet is in use. There are also 4 subnets in the 10. range that should be avoided for similar reasons. Occasionally, you may need a subnet of larger or smaller size. This is an example of a large subnet with 2046 usable addresses. This should be the largest subnet you create. You should not create a subnet larger than 2K, or detected clients will overflow the ARP tables. I suggest making large subnets at the bottom of the 172.16. range and small subnets at the top. This is an example of a small subnet containing only 2 usable addresses, one for the router and the other for a device exclusively using its own subnet.